you guys, so I'm jumping right into this grocery haul this week. It's been a busy weekend and all of our vehicles are under the weather, so had to have my son go with me to the store, so I don't have my typical car intro. So anyhow, let me show you what I have planned for the meals this week in no particular order. So I'm going to do a really easy crock pot lasagna soup with some garlic bread, a chicken broccoli rice casserole, some creamy chicken and noodles, tacos, spaghetti, and then we'll do pizza and salad. So let me show you what I picked up at Aldi. I got a gallon of milk, unsweetened almond milk, and then they had this holiday, I think that's holiday wassail. Spiced apple juice type drink on sale for 99 cents. So I picked that up. Got 6 things of strawberry yogurt and 2 dozen eggs. They are over $3 a dozen here in North Carolina. So I wasn't excited about that. Then I picked up some grape juice, some orange juice, and actually picked up some Jell-O, as my girls have been eating mine, so I picked up some for them, and I bet they'll sit in the pantry now and no one will actually eat them. I did pick up 2 cans of pumpkin because they had these marked down to 69 cents, so I thought I could make like some pumpkin bread or muffins. Got 2 cans of refried beans, sliced carrots, mandarin oranges, corn, and green beans. And then I picked up 1 can of fried apples to have for breakfast this week. Got a loaf of bread. And then I got a large pack of ground beef and some bacon. Picked up some pepperonis. Got 2 bags of the cheddar broccoli rice for that easy chicken broccoli rice casserole. Picked up some Pink Ladies. This 3-pound bag was $2.99, and Pink Ladies are our favorite apple. Got a bag of mini cucumbers, some granola, couple of Roma tomatoes, bananas, and I saw this green cheese. It is a Dutch cheese with basil and garlic. Looked fun, and I love trying new cheese, so I picked that up. They did have another one that was in a block that was had sage in it. I wasn't sure how I felt about that, so I didn't get that one. Then I got some sharp cheddar and provolone sliced cheese, couple bags of sweet butter lettuce, some sharp cheddar already sliced. My daughter wanted some to go with crackers. Got some baby bellas and a couple of jars of spaghetti sauce. And then I saw these dark chocolate covered freeze-dried strawberries, and they also had it in a banana. I have never seen these before, but they were on the aisle with all of the nuts and trail mix, so I'm not sure if this is new or not, but it was new to us. They were rather expensive at like $3 a bag, but my daughter loves the, I think it's True Fruit or Fruit True. I can't remember what it's called, but she likes those, so I picked these up for her to try. Got some angel hair pasta for spaghetti. Then we got some Italian cheese and some Colby Jack. And I picked up the 6 cracker assortment. We've never tried this. We typically just buy the box of like wheat crackers, but I thought I'd get something different for my daughter. Then I got some elbow noodles for that creamy chicken and noodles. My son picked out the barbecue chips, and I've got this box of chicken broth because they also had this marked down to like 69 cents. I think they're trying to get rid of a lot of the Christmas, Thanksgiving holiday foods they still have. Then I picked up some broccoli, some garlic bread to go with that lasagna soup. And they had the breaded flounder back in stock, so I went ahead and got 2 of those because my son really likes these. Then I picked up the frozen lasagna for that easy crock pot lasagna soup. It's really simple. You just use a jar of sauce, some chicken broth, and chopped up frozen lasagna. Then we got some pizza rolls and this Tuscan chicken flatbread pizza. Has chicken, mozzarella, spinach, tomatoes, and garlic. So I figured we'd have that one night with a salad. And then I just got some chicken strips just to have on hand because the kids like to just pop that into the air fryer for lunch or dinner or snack throughout the day. So that is everything we picked up this week, and it came in at around $153. So not bad, I guess. But I hope everyone has a great week ahead. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.